notice how whenever you open up a YouTube video, there's always some type of ad that plays first? Sometimes there's even more than one. Now, most of the time, what we all do, and I know we all do this, is just skip those ads because it's honestly annoying, especially when you just badly want to watch your video already. But did you know that these ads could actually earn you some PayPal money? I bet you didn't, and that's why you just want to skip the ads. Well, now you know. We're going to be teaching you how these ads that you see can make you money so that you can start earning pronto. Today's strategy is going to be available worldwide, so don't even worry about that. It's also something that you can do even on just your mobile phone, which just makes it 10 times better because of its convenience. And on top of all of that, it's completely free, so no investments or hidden fees, which is just absolutely awesome. As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First website is called wad.uju with 3 O's at the end, .com/ads. And this is how that website looks like. As you can read on here, earn money by viewing advertisements. Uju.com will pay you for viewing advertising offers of our partners. You can earn watching advertisements, earn money in a really easy way, watch advertisements, and get up to 4 cents per click. You can also earn money by watching Uju videos, making simple tasks or offers with Personally Offer Wall. There is also a referral program. Recommend Uju watching ads to others and get rewarded for that. You get credited for every click of your referral. Also, you can get up to $20 for bonus, which will upgrade your account to a privileged account. There are over 41 million users, over $2 million paid, and up to $20 as bonus for everybody. To start, you can simply click on sign up right here, and then you can continue with Google. It's the best way, and as soon as you have an account, this is what you're going to see. Now, we want you to click paid to click ads right here, then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. And as you can probably already tell, there are so many ads for you to click and choose and earn from, which is great because that means that your earning potential on here is huge. You just have to click on an ad, and then a video will just pop up on your screen, and all you have to do is let that ad play from start to finish, and just like that, you're gonna earn. So that's basically for our first website. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Next website is called neobucks.com, and this is how their website looks like. So just click on register right here, then you're going to be taken to here. And as you can see, you are just a minute away from changing the way you make money online forever. At NeoBucks, you get paid to take surveys, view advertisements, complete quizzes, play games, and more. Unlike many other sites, we will always offer the best possible rewards for your activities in a safe, accommodating, and multi-language environment. What am I registering for? You're registering for a free account. Your account will allow you to earn cash and get paid from the comfort of your own home by simply interacting with online content, while you can rest assured that we'll always provide lucrative rewards for your loyalty and activity. Alternatively, you can advertise your own website and or promote other sites, knowing we offer services of the highest quality for our advertisers and content providers. What are the requirements? You need to have an account with Skrill, RTM or Neteller or PayPal in order to purchase any of our services. You can use the same payment processors to receive your earned cash. If you do not have an account with any of the aforementioned payment processors or want different options, you can still withdraw your earned money by choosing between other options like bank transfer check and PayPal via Topata. So just fill up all of the details being asked of you. So your username, your password twice, your email, referrer, which you can leave blank, your birth year, your verification code, then agree to the terms and conditions and give your consent, and then hit on continue, and just like that, you finally have an account. And you can start watching ads and even doing the other things that they offer on this website and make the money that you've been wanting to make. And that's it for Neobucks. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So the third and last website for today, and it's also the highest paying website among the three, is called Ysense.com, and this is their website. It looks really nice and neat. And as you can see, Ysense.com is an online rewards website for those looking to earn extra money from all over the world. As a member of the Prodige LLC family, we support market researchers and others who rely upon the power of consumers, offering our members a variety of reward opportunities. Whether you take surveys, complete online tasks, or complete other offers, there's something for everyone to take easily and make money online. Earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. There are paid surveys. Earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. There are cash offers. Get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, watching ads, and more. And there's also referrals. Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. So just sign up on here and make some money right away. And before we wrap things up, let's have a little recap. Our first website, which is the lowest paying website, is called Uju. Our second website, which is the second highest paying website, is called Neobucks. And for our last website, which is the highest paying one among the three, is called Ysense. So make sure you try all three websites together to get really the most money possible out of today's strategy. And I'll see you in the next one. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.